Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to redeem your free $5 on Cash App. So once you've made your account, you go up to the top left and you click the profile picture. Once you've done that, you scroll down and you add a bank account or a credit card or a debit card. The reason for this is because you have to have a minimum transaction of at least $5 before you can earn your free $5 for entering a referral code. So you send your friend $5, he'll send it back to you, or you have him send you $5 and you send it back to him, and then you'll be good to go. Once you've done that, you scroll down, and right here above cash support, there will be a button that says rewards code. Now what you do is you click that and you enter in the code that's on the screen right now. It's my referral code. Once you enter that in, you will be eligible for your $5. So if you've sent $5 to a friend and he sent it back to you, or the other way around, you should get your $5 for entering that code. And if you didn't know how to send money, you just go over to the main screen here and you click $5, which is the minimum, and then you click pay, sorry, and you type in their name and you click send, and that's it. This app's pretty cool because you can send money to friends and family. It's really easy, super simple, and yeah, I don't know how long this promotion's going to be running. Right, it's 2019 right now, and it's going on. So if you're watching this in the future and it doesn't work, then the promotion's probably ended. But right now, it's good to go. Try to hop on this while you can. Down below, I'll put in a step-by-step. If you couldn't follow along with the video for some reason, you can go down there and check it out. The referral code will be down there. And yeah, hope this guide helped you, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.